All right, I'm gonna walk you through how to make my best Traeger spatchcock turkey smoker recipe. This has a honey barbecue glaze on it, and all you do is you pop the spatchcock turkey into the preheated Traeger smoker at 275 degrees. It goes right in there. It has some seasonings on top, any sort of barbecue rub you have, but I do have a specific list of ingredients you can use at Spatchcock attached to this recipe that you can print out. So anyways, you make this really delicious baste in my recipe for this honey barbecue spatchcock smoked chicken. It's kind of a mouthful to say. So onto this goes some barbecue sauce, honey, brown sugar, and butter. Now that was all melting in the smoker with the turkey as it was cooking, so it melted down, and then after an hour and a half, we basted the honey barbecue sauce right onto the spatchcock smoker turkey. And then once the smoker, it was going at 350 degrees for this recipe, at about 2-hour mark, when the spatchcock turkey is done smoking, it turns to 165 degrees in the breast and 175 degrees Fahrenheit in the thigh. So our total smoke time for spatchcock turkey on the pellet grill was about 2 hours. And then you just want to make sure that you rest the smoked spatchcock turkey for at least 20 minutes. You could do this under tin foil, and then it's going to basically fall apart when you want to chop it off. We take off the legs and then the wings and everything, and then just go ahead and cut up that delicious smoked turkey breast meat. I do have another recipe at Sip Bite Go demonstration for you to see how to spatchcock turkey or chicken, so you can check that out if you need some tips there. And I also have a smoked turkey breast recipe if you want to just make that. Till next time, have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!